Ryan was good at games. When he played solo, he cooked. Clean plays, sharp focus, easy wins. But every time he played with friends, he played worse. Missed shots, bad decisions. He thought it was pressure. Then he realized something. While playing, he was talking nonstop. Calls running in the background. His phone was lagging, and his focus was split. So he fixed it. No background calls. Mic only when needed. Less talking, more focus. And suddenly, he played just as good with friends as he did alone. If you face these issues too, don't worry, you're not alone. Follow for more amazing contents like this.